What you're looking at, high quality motion graphics, all made without any motion graphics software. Just code. And here's the secret. I didn't write a single line of it. I just described what I wanted with no designer, no editor, just talking. And guess what? You can do this too. Welcome back to Hyperframes for Beginners. I'm Michael, and if you're new here, in this series we're exploring Hyperframes. Hyperframes is HeyGen's free open source tool that turns code into video. You describe what you want, and your AI agent writes it, and out comes a finished video. Recently, we turned a website into a video, just from a URL. And that time, the website fed the AI everything. But today, we're the source. We're building a series of videos from scratch using our AI agent. Videos that'll even impress the greatest video editors out there. So if you're ready, let's build. First, let's lay the groundwork. I'll point my agent at a folder to work in and just say, set up a new Hyperframes project here. And then it will build out all the structure we need, and I don't have to touch a file. I'll tell it one other thing up front. Over this session, we're building one presentation, scene by scene. And so here's a quick peek at where this is going. By the end, you'll have a whole stack of scenes just like this, each on its own file. So how about we start simple, like with a video opener. I'll drop our logo right in the chat and say, make scene 1 a 10-second opening title sequence with this logo animation in, clean and cinematic. And there it is, a 10-second opener from one sentence. And this becomes the front door to our whole presentation later. Now, before we go further, let me show you the one idea that makes all of this click. Let's open up the file. This is the whole mental model. Every element has three things: when it appears, how long it stays, and which layer it's on, which is essentially what stacks on top of what. That's it. A Hyperframes video is just a readable file, timing and layers. Okay, now that we've got an opener, why don't we give everything a real brand and build out the other elements? Meet our client for the day. Rendezvous, a global co-working space where people come for a desk and leave with a potential date. Probably not great for productivity, but it's a genuine idea I had back in the day, so just humor me. Here's their year-end report. Dense, dry, and you guessed it, unread. Remember those three ingredients from the last time? Content, assets, and structure? Last time the website provided them. Today, we do. Now, real quick before we dive in. Last video we mentioned a design.md file, and you've probably seen files ending in .md floating around when you work with your agent. Now, what the heck is that? Well, it stands for Markdown. Basically a plain text file with a little light formatting, nothing scary. Agents love it because it's dead simple to read and write. So a design.md is just that, a markdown file for your brand, a one-page cheat sheet like your colors, your fonts, your logos, and a few do's and don'ts. You write it once, and every scene the agent builds reads from it, so everything matches automatically with no babysitting. Think of it this way. For an AI agent, the design.md is its best friend. Honestly, more like a supervisor. It just keeps everything on course and on brand. Now, if you're starting fresh, here's how you'd make one. Hand the agent your fonts and colors and say, turn this into a design.md I can reuse. Pretty easy. But I'll let you in on a little shortcut. I already built mine ahead of time and dropped it right in the project folder. So instead of making it live, I'll just tell Claude that it's there. So here I'll say, I've added a design.md to the project folder. Read it and use it as the brand reference for every scene. It reads it, confirms, and now everything we build is locked for our brand. Here's what's inside mine. The plum, coral, and gold palette, front is for the headline, inter for everything else. The Rendezvous logo is also included, and it's in an SVG format. And the brand voice, warm and a little cheeky. Now, one thing about my AI agent is that it picked up that the font file was added to the folder, and it flagged that our opener from earlier was a little off-brand, since I built that before it had any of this to go off of. So I won't hold it against it. It didn't have the cheat sheet yet, but then all on its own, it went and gave me an updated on-brand version of the opener. Let's put them side by side. Now, if you don't have a brand handy, you can ask it to pull colors from your website, from a Figma file, or design one for you. However you get there, it lands on this as one file. And a couple of assets. I've dropped in a few faces for the testimonials. These are stock photos, so no awkward permission emails, but if you're using real people, please get their permission before you put their faces on the internet. Trust me. Alright, ingredients ready, let's build the real thing. So next up is the growth story. So here's a prompt. Make scene 2 a grouped bar chart in the Rendezvous brand. New members and revenue side by side for each of the last 5 years, with values labeled that count up smoothly as the bars grow in. Then I paste in the numbers. Now let's take a look at the output. And look at that. Notice what I didn't say. The colors. The design file handled those. I just described the motion. And if we want to change something, we just describe it. Maybe we tweak the color of the bar, or have them grow in a little bit slower, all in plain English. Next, let's try another dynamic scene using a map. Now I'm going to let Claude fetch a map for us. Could I do it myself? Sure. But where's the fun in that? In this next prompt, I'll say, make scene 3. A 2D world map in the Rendezvous brand. Bring the brand onto the background, then reveal our 6 locations one by one, each with a location marker: San Francisco, Austin, London, Berlin, Singapore, and Sao Paulo. Then once all 6 are in, one more touch. Add a highlight effect on London where we've seen serious growth. Now the map's telling a story, where we are and where we're really winning. Last one, the proof. What are members actually saying about us? I've already got my quotes and photos in the folder, so I'll say something about making scene 4, a testimonial carousel for the Rendezvous brand, using the quotes that I've already had in the MD file. It'll be able to pull from these files to generate the video. And this prompt is quite dynamic because we'll be using a Gaussian blur on the background to be able to blur out some of the floating carousels of testimonials. This looks fantastic. We have the featured stories up front and a whole softly blurred wall of love behind them. For this one, I did have to prompt it to make the animation a little bit faster, but after everything was said and done, it looked fantastic. So that's 4 scenes, 1 brand, and every one of them are just described. And here's the best part, because we built this scene by scene in one project, Hyperframes has been dropping each one into the composition as we go. There's nothing to assemble. The whole presentation is already there in order. So let's just watch it. Now let's give it a little je ne sais quoi, and I want to add a soundtrack. The track's already in the folder, so I'll say play music track .wave softly under the whole presentation, start to finish. And once it's rendered, here's our report. Now imagine if you could add your own clip, you on camera presenting the information. Well, there's no need to imagine. With Hyperframes, you can. And partnered with HeyGen, you can even use an AI avatar to deliver the message for you. Here's a clip of what I attempted to do after it's all said and done.
Here's what we're proudest of. 3 million members, 41 million in revenue, 6 cities, 50,000 first dates, and 1,200 couples matched. To everyone who made this campaign unforgettable, from all of us at Rendezvous, thank you.
Pretty cool, right? Well, we're not going to walk through building that today, but I wanted you to see what's possible. You bring the presenter and Hyperframes will handle the rest. Let's render the final thing, and I'll just say render it to MP4. And so here it is, side by side. On the left, the report nobody reads, and on the right, the one they'll actually watch.
This is Rendezvous, where the future of work meets the future of connection. Come for the desk, stay for the date. In 5 years, we've grown from 50,000 members to nearly 3 million, and revenue soared from $400,000 to $41 million. Today, Rendezvous brings people together across 6 cities and 4 continents, and London is now our fastest growing community of all. But behind every number is a person, a first hello by the coffee machine, a co-founder, a partner. The best connections still happen in person. Here's what we're proudest of. 3 million members, 41 million in revenue, 6 cities, 50,000 first dates, and 1,200 couples matched. To everyone who made this campaign unforgettable, from all of us at Rendezvous, thank you.
It's the same information, but completely different format. And I described every bit of it just for the AI. So that's it for our first build from scratch. We brought the ingredients, the content, the assets, the structure, and talked a whole presentation into existence. I've left the prompts and all the resources down in the description so you can try this for yourself. And as we go through this series, I want to cover what you'll actually want to see. So drop it in the comments if you have any suggestion. In an upcoming video, we'll explore the timeline editor so you can learn to work the interface yourself when you want to make a quick change. At HeyGen, we're constantly improving the experience. Now, if you're getting something out of this series, be sure to hit like on all of our videos and subscribe so you'll catch the next one. I'm Michael, and go make something. I'll see you in the next one.